subscriptions and licenses. Let us head over to Google and find out how much AutoCAD actually costs and how we can use it completely free from their official website. Here is our pricing options. Click and open the Download Trial tab. You are allowed 30 days to use the trial version. Students and educators can get free 1-year educational access to Autodesk products and services, renewable as long as you remain eligible. Best free alternative. Let us look up for FreeCAD. Download the right version for your operating system. That's it. We hope you found this video very useful. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon.